That is a good point. Hold on a sec. That sword was coming really fast. There's no way anybody could dodge it by cracking their neck at just the right
I
time.
only half believe it myself. Maybe it was just a coincidence. But then again, what if it wasn't at all, Quentin?
I really don't like you. You just let a 1 in a million chance get away from you. So how can you stand there like you don't care? You will have one opportunity in your entire life to potentially beat me, and you just lost yours! Show some disappointment! Get on the ground and writhe like the miserable worm you are! Anything else would be blasphemy against me. What in the hell? Don't you know you gave up your golden opportunity? A puny weakling of power level 17 thinks he can humiliate me? I will